If this is your first time opening this page, rendering may take some time. Please be patient. Compared to the fill-in-the-blank style interfaces of WebUI and ForgeUI, this large canvas does look rather hardcore. The content in the center of the canvas, composed of nodes and connections, is the workflow, representing a complete computational process for data generation or processing. Similar to building with Lego bricks, we need to connect different nodes to define the flow and sequence of data processing. The sidebar serves as the toolbar. At the top, the ComfyUI logo is actually a button. Clicking it expands the main menu. From here you can start a new workflow under New, perform file-related operations in File, edit canvas content with Edit, adjust the interface view and theme, and enable or disable the experimental Nodes 2.0 mode. You can also browse and load official workflow templates via the Browse Templates option. Furthermore, Settings provides global configuration, Manage Extensions allows you to handle plugins, and Help aggregates documentation and resources. Below there are 4 buttons. The Assets button contains all content generated by running workflows on the ComfyUI server since its current launch, and allows you to preview materials in the input folder. Nodes includes all built-in and third-party nodes, which can be easily searched and added to a workflow. Models lists all currently available downloaded models, including those introduced via extra model paths serial, though some formats like GGUF will not be displayed. Finally, Workflows holds all current and saved workflows, while Templates offers examples provided officially or by custom plugins. Lower down, there are 4 additional buttons. Help provides useful URLs for referencing information. Console is used to view logs to help troubleshoot issues. Shortcuts displays keyboard shortcuts, and the last one is another global settings shortcut. The currently open workflow is displayed at the top of the interface with a drop-down menu for quick access. In addition, the top bar has several very useful buttons, such as Plugin Manager, Unload Model, Free Model and Node Cache, and 3 of the most important ones: Run, View Job History, and Toggle Properties panel. There is a small control panel at the bottom right of the interface. Here you can switch operational modes and adjust the workflow's display size to better fit the page. With so much information introduced at once, it may seem overwhelming. Don't worry. Through repeated practice in actual applications, you'll quickly become familiar with the interface. Let's move on to the hands-on section. For now, you don't need to change anything. Simply click Run to see the effect of the default workflow. A pop-up window appears indicating execution failure. The specific reason is prompt outputs failed validation, followed by the name of the problematic node, checkpoint loader simple. The final line explains the error, model not found. This is the most common error you'll encounter when using ComfyUI. This happens because the workflow relies strictly on the specific file path, both the directory and the file name, to locate the model. Even if the model is built into the ComfyUI of the Olares system, the workflow won't find it if the name differs even slightly. As you accumulate more models, you'll likely store them in separate folders. If your organizational method differs from that of the workflow's sharer, you'll encounter the same error. You can close the pop-up window. At this point, you'll notice the problematic node highlighted in red. This is the node responsible for loading the model. Next, click the node's drop-down list to see all models available in your environment. Select one, for example, the Magic Mix model, choose it, and then click Run again. This time, the workflow will execute smoothly, and you'll quickly see a result, an image of a glass bottle containing a landscape. This is the first picture generated using ComfyUI in this course.